Oh my god. Hi guys. So I am back. I know I've been gone for a minute and I'm definitely gonna get into that. I don't know if I'll do it in this video or probably the next video, but I will get into why I've been gone. So let's jump into this look. So right here, I just took that blue from the Karity palette and I'm trying a new technique where you do the darker colors first. You layer it from dark to light. So I'm trying that out. I don't know. My eyelid space is a little bit too small to actually be doing that. So I'm probably gonna have to go back to my old ways. So yeah, I'm gonna take this purple and just blend that blue out. I'm pretty much gonna be using this palette for the bases of this look, and then I'll be going into my a palette that I created that I'm thinking about introducing to my store, Glisten Galore, but that's a different subject, different video, so yeah, just follow along with me as we create this beat, honey, and make sure y'all stay tuned for the end of the video so y'all can see my new gloss paint that I have, and that's actually available on my site, which is www.shopglistengalore.com. That, as well as the glitters I will be using in this video. So right here I'm taking this wipe and I'm using this wipe to wipe off some of the the product that I have on my eye. That way I can have a clean slate for when I take this Inglot gel liner in 94 and carve out my crease. I'm sorry about the lighting. I don't know why it was so bright every time I showed the products. Yeah, I don't know. I need to figure out my lighting, but I'm actually using a brush from my store as well. I'm going to be using this brush, well, two of these brushes that is available on my website as well. And as you can see, I'm using it to carve out the crease, and then I'm also going to be using another one to apply the glitter, but you will see that further along in the video. So I'm gonna stop talking and let y'all watch the video. Okay, so here's the glitters I'll be using, and one is in Teal and one is in Marigold, and this is Hard Candy's glitter primer. Again, the lighting is bad, so sorry. And I'm just taking that glitter primer and I'm placing it on my lid, and then I'm gonna take the glitter, place it on top of there, and do the same thing for the other color. So it's pretty simple. Just watch the tutorial and boom. Again, I'm placing the glitter, and then I'm going to place the glue again. I try to do this in sections I think it's more easier that way, and you get to control, you know, what you're doing better if you take your time and do it in sections versus trying to do everything all at once. So I'm lining my eyes with this black eyeliner, and then I'm gonna go in and pretty much just blend that out and add that orange color and the blue color, which is what I'm doing now. I'm adding that to the bottom, so you know, just to make the bottom match the top of the eye. Okay, and the part that I love the best about the video is this part, the lips. So I'm taking this lip liner. I think I got it from the beauty supply store, or yeah, I believe it was the beauty supply store. It's nothing fancy. Taking that, lining my lips, and I'm going to put on my bomb new gloss paint that I have. It's so pretty, it's so shiny, like I love it so much. It's just so cute. Yes, this right here is what I'm talking about, and it's just so bomb. Just look at it. Look at it, y'all. Get into it. Yes, I love it. I love it. I love it so much. I will put the link down below in the description bar for my store where you can go and purchase this at. And yes, it's available. I have a ton of them, so come on, girl, get you some, honey, get you some. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me and staying with me and tuning in. Like I said, I'll be doing a new video on what's been going on, but don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.